and a Lucas Oil trophy. Alright, Jeff Balzone from Giant Motorsports wanted to hand up gift certificates for $162. Hello. Alright. Okay, Giant Motorsports, Jeff Balzone and Mo are handing out $362 gift certificates to their shop for the middle top finishers. So that is John Duth, Jeremy Henderson, Craig Reynolds, and Paul Nemec. You guys want to come up here and grab your gift certificates? And you guys all get a custom trophy, Jeff Balzone.
Half a battery is better than none.
Okay, is Jeff Balzone here from Giant Motorsports? Or is anyone here to represent Firework? I got Brady Millen here accepting the award for Slime. He'll give that to Joe Bowman this week. So thanks to Slime for helping out. Jeff around? Mo? Where's Travis? Thanks for everything you do for us. Can I get Steve Herrera up here? He brought his pro light out here to race us just for fun. I got a lead foot award for the heaviest foot. And this guy laid it down on us today. Everyone that got a Giant award, grab a gift certificate. That's your award. Is there any other racers here from the Bee-Hive Classic that did not get anything? Come up here. Now. Dan Vance, first place today. You won a lot of cash today. From Nicole from Total Chaos, the NASCAR check for $500. Cash. Go Dan Vance. The Bee-Hive Sports Bar is paying out $100 to second place, Benny, $100 to third, $100 to fourth, which is Job Ryan, $100 to fifth, and $100 to sixth. Everyone should come out here and race class. You get money, free lights. You get taken care of.
Did you have a good time?
Everyone give Nick Tonelli and Lyle Tonelli a big hand. I mean, they work their butt off to make this all happen. Want to give a shout out to Lucas Oil Regionals, Poppy, Lee, and the crew, everybody here. We work our butt off to have a good show for you guys. So thank you all for coming out. And hopefully we'll see you at the next one, July 21st. Glen Helen. Hold on, we still have some more.
Sorry about that. Fireworks gets $300 for place. Dan, accept this Fireworks award for $300. Oh, Dan didn't run the logo. Alright, second place goes to third. Dan Chamley, $200. Third place goes to Ryan. Racer's choice is Steve Herrera. Four-cylinder sprung. Fastest four-cylinder and fastest leaf sprung. John and Jeremy win $100 from ORW Off-Road. Kevin, good night racing. And Lori Tonelli wanted to hand out some more stuff from the Bee-Hive, so I guess we got Angel baseball tickets, Angels versus LA Dodgers, for all the top racers. Oh, Donnie. Alright, I want to say thank you to everyone for coming out here and racing our class. Ken Johnson, Liam. So once again, thanks to Jason McNeil, Dan Vance, everyone that supports this event. Maybe someone should buy some new batteries. And if you guys all do me a favor, go on the threads and voice your opinion about this Bee-Hive Classic. We want to keep it going. The plan is to work. Check. 1, 2. Yeah, get on the threads if you can. Race Desert Rangers. Type this up. If you guys think it was cool, put it on there. If you guys think it sucked, put it on there. So, yeah. Again, big thanks to Nick and Lyle Tonelli for making this happen. Let's hear it one more time for these guys. Big thanks to you guys for coming out. So we'll see you guys next time. Again, help us out, throw it on the threads, let everyone know what we're doing out here.